An update on Britney Spears' child support. One subject in particular has drawn attention in the ongoing debates about Britney Spears' financial obligations. Her duty to keep paying child support for her son Jaden when he turns 18. Kid support payments usually cease when a kid reaches the age of majority. However, there are occasionally exceptions, which are typically connected to certain contracts, court settlements, or unique situations. In Spears' instance, this arrangement highlights the legal subtleties that come with celebrity divorces as well as the difficulties of high-profile custody agreements. Examining the financial, personal, and legal aspects of Spears' circumstances is necessary to comprehend why this support continues after Jaden turns 18. Disclaimer: no copyright infringement. All the photos and videos belong to its rightful owners. Credits listed in the description below. Not only is Britney Spears' music still a major draw, but her turbulent personal life and #1 hits have kept her in the public eye. Her financial responsibilities to her youngest son, Jaden James, have come under investigation recently. Britney will keep providing child support to her ex-husband, Kevin Federline, even when Jaden turns 18. Given that the majority of states consider 18 to be the legal age of adulthood, which usually signifies the termination of child support payments, some people may find this development shocking. The specifics of Spears' divorce agreement with Federline, however, make clear why her financial obligation to Jaden goes beyond this point. Spears' financial obligations to Jaden would end when he turns 18 or when he graduates from high school, whichever comes first, according to a specific clause in their divorce settlement, which is the basis for the child support arrangement between Federline and Spears, according to sources. Despite the fact that Jaden turned 18 and became an adult, he is still a high school student. Therefore, Britney will continue to pay for his education until it is finished. Custodial agreements frequently include this legal clause, especially when there are children involved or high-profile divorces. Such agreements are frequently justified by the need to guarantee the child's complete support during their last years of education, even in the event that they become an adult before graduating. A young person's time in high school is crucial, and continuing financial support can help them feel stable as they enter adulthood. This implies that Britney Spears will be paying Federline child support until Jaden earns his diploma. It is significant to remember that this arrangement only pertains to Jaden because his older brother, Sean Preston, has already completed high school and turned 18 years old, absolving Spears of any child support duties. Since Britney Spears' custody fight with Federline was so widely publicized, the specifics of her child support payments have long been a subject of public curiosity. Since their 2008 divorce, Federline, who is the primary caregiver for both boys, has been receiving child support payments from Spears. Federline asked for an increase in child support in 2018, citing Spears' wealthy residence in Las Vegas at the time as justification for reviewing the arrangement. Eventually, the two came to an agreement guaranteeing Federline would keep getting paid for raising their sons. Despite the fact that child support agreements are frequently the subject of conflict, they are essential to ensuring that children are taken care of regardless of the conditions between the parents. Spears' increased payments for Jaden are a result of a more expansive judicial system that puts the child's welfare ahead of strict deadlines. Spears is abiding by her legal duty to support her kid until he completes his high school education and makes sure he can do so without facing financial hardship. Following her 2008 divorce from Federline, Britney Spears reportedly consented to pay $20,000 in child support each month, according to TMZ reports. Federline was the primary caregiver for their two sons, Jaden and Sean Preston, and these monies were intended to finance their care and upbringing. The fact that Federline, a former backup dancer, has had primary care of the kids for a long time affected how much child support Spears was expected to pay. In light of the standard of living that is anticipated of famous offspring, and the financial resources of their parents, Federline felt compelled to provide the boys with a stable monthly stipend in order to guarantee their well-being. The large rise in payments at the time was extensively publicized, which sparked discussions about the financial obligations of wealthy parents in custody disputes and how those commitments change as circumstances in life do. In a recent move, Spears allegedly made the decision to return her child support payments to the initial monthly sum of $20,000. This choice was made last month, right before Jaden turned 18. Jaden is almost done with high school and won't need as much financial assistance after he graduates in November, so the payment amount was probably lowered in light of this. The modification appears to be in accordance with the normal progression of child support requirements, which normally drop as children age and grow more independent, even though specifics of the agreement between Spears and Federline are not entirely public. Fans of the pop icon Britney Spears are celebrating the moment on social media as she has decided to stop paying child support for her youngest kid, Jaden James. This development has attracted a lot of attention. They streamed Work Bitch, a song from 2013, as a playful gesture of solidarity, interpreting it as a representation of Spears' recently acquired financial independence. This occasion represents Spears' complicated connection with her sons, Jaden and Sean Preston, over the years, as well as a financial turning point for her. Spears' path with her sons has been difficult and dynamic, influenced by both her own hardships and the public's gaze. Being a worldwide celebrity, Spears' every action has been scrutinized by the media, and her personal life, particularly her role as a mother, has generated a great deal of discussion. In a 2020 interview with the Daily Mail, 16-year-old Jaden publicly questioned his mother's parenting abilities. "I think mom has struggled giving us both attention and showing us equal love. I don't think she showed enough to Preston, and I feel really bad for that," he said, expressing his feelings of being neglected. His words painted a picture of a family dynamic strained by distance and emotional disconnection. There have been indications of reconciliation in recent months, despite these obstacles. Preston and Jaden had communicated with their mother on Mother's Day, according to confirmation from Kevin Federline's lawyer Mark Vincent Kaplan in June. This could have been a significant turning point in their relationship. In conclusion, even if they are coming to an end, Britney Spears' ongoing financial responsibilities to Jaden James are only one facet of her nuanced role as a mother. It has been a challenging road, made worse by the demands of celebrity, public scrutiny, and her personal struggles, leading to a fractured relationship with her sons. The Mother's Day phone conversation, among other recent indications of progress, gives Spears and her boys optimism that their relationship will eventually be repaired. Even though the child support payments may come to a stop, their family's dynamic still needs to be repaired. Therefore, there is still work to be done. That's it for our celebrity news for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video and hit the notification bell for more hot topics like this. See you on the next one.